In this video, we're going to make this asteroid in Houdini in 4 minutes. We start off by adding a primitive sphere and setting it to polygon, setting frequency high. And then we drop a VDB from polygon and we set the voxel size to 0.01 for preview and 0.002 for final output. Now here we set density in the distance VDB instead of surface, and exterior bound voxel set to 20, and we check the interior. And then we drop a volume VOB. I'm going to go over it in a second. And then we use a file cache and we disable time dependency and we hit save. I'm using file cache here because the VDB can take a lot of time to compute. And then we convert VDB and set it to polygons. You can play with adaptivity and ISO value so you can get the desirable result. Now we have an ambient occlusion from the lab node. Then we subdivide so we can add displacement detail. Then we add displacement detail using an attribute VOB. Then we add color using another attribute VOB. Now we go over volume VOB, that is adding the noise to the VDB. The first layer we are adding a Berlin noise and we are fitting it and adding it to density. The first layer is just adding the main shape. The second layer is adding craters. In the second layer, we are using a Voronoi noise to get a spherical shape, and we are fitting them to actually get spheres, and we are multiplying by -1 to get an inverted value that curve in the model. And toward the shape of the craters, we are adding a Berlin noise and multiplying it to decrease the intensity, and we are adding it with the position and plugging it to the position of the Voronoi noise. For the third layer, we are adding cracks. Here we have Berlin noise with high frequency, and we are fitting it to add cracks. In the fourth layer, we are adding rocky detail. And we are achieving that by having a constant of 4 plugged into divide constant and plugged into the frequency of an alligator noise. And then we are controlling intensity with multiply constant. Now for the color and the displacement detail. Now first we have ambient occlusion, the output attribute set to AO mask. Now for the fine details, displacement detail. Now first we have an alligator noise with high frequency multiplied by a bit to decrease its intensity, and we have Berlin noise with high frequency, also controlled intensity, added together and plugged into the amount of a displacement along normal. Now for the colors. We are using a bind node to get the ambient occlusion value, and we are using a ramp to control it, and we are using a mult constant to control the intensity, and we are fitting it to get a very specific result. Now for the base color, we are using sparse convolution noise. We are controlling the intensity. We are using a color and we are adding them together to get a little bit of phase variation. Now for the base color, we have a sparse convolution noise with high intensity. We're controlling the intensity, and we have a base color. We are adding them together to get a little bit of variation. For the second layer, we have an alligator noise with high frequency, and we are multiplying the original layer with higher value so we can get a darker layer with the alligator noise as the mask. Now finally, we are using the ambient occlusion from earlier as a mask for a lighter layer by multiplying with 2.5 and mixing them to get the final result, as you can see. And here you have it, an asteroid in Houdini. I already made a 30-minute version of this tutorial. I'll put it in the card. And tell me below if you prefer short tutorial or long tutorial so I know what to make. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.